Hi, I'm Michael Piscos, an audiologist with hearing power. Today, we're going to talk about if apps can help you find relief from your tinnitus. The quick answer is absolutely. Many people find help from their tinnitus and manage their tinnitus using apps that are available today via the App Store or Google Play. Quick reminder, if you like this video and the content that we provide you, please follow the channel and like the video, as that helps us better understand the content you guys are looking for. If you do a search for tinnitus, you'll probably notice that tons of apps come available, and it's probably pretty challenging and daunting to decide which ones to choose. Well, we're going to talk about what you might want to look for in some apps that are available today. At the very minimum, most apps that claim that they help manage tinnitus will offer some sort of sound therapy feature. That can come in the form of a sound library or a sound catalog, which offers you a variety of different sounds that you can choose from. Those sounds can typically be sounds such as white noise, environmental sounds, nature sounds, and even music. Other apps are a little more sophisticated and allow you to actually layer sounds on top of each other to allow you to create unique and personalized soundscapes that you can access at any point in time throughout the day. Other apps offer additional features such as guided meditations, relaxation exercises, breathing techniques, and educational content to help you better understand your tinnitus. Some of these other features, such as breathing techniques and guided meditations, can be helpful in helping you cope with the symptoms of tinnitus that often accompany tinnitus, such as stress and anxiety. However, the early results have been promising. In fact, research has shown that apps don't provide any detriment to the person or make the tinnitus any worse. They are a good self-guiding tool that many people can use to help them through their tinnitus journey. A great place to start your tinnitus relief journey is with the MindEar app. The MindEar app is available for free download both on the App Store and Google Play and is designed for anyone struggling with tinnitus. The app provides you with the tools and resources to help you manage your tinnitus and find relief. Some of the features you can find within the MindEar app are customized soundscapes, which help with sound therapy and improving sleep quality, personalized guidance, which will recommend daily activities to help you manage your tinnitus, a library of relaxation and breathing exercises to help you manage your stress and anxiety. And it also gives you the opportunity to request a one-on-one consultation with a tinnitus expert should you require additional conversation. Download the MindEar app today and start finding tinnitus relief.